Some people enter our lives in such a magical way that it seems like destiny, right? It's as if everything was planned before it even happened. There's something in the air, an intuition, a whisper that says this is not a coincidence. This connection is driven by a spiritual force, something that leads us to achievements and creates a unique bond. Maybe with this special person, whom we call Hamser, this connection that transcends time and space brings a melancholy, a sense of déjà vu, as if we had experienced something similar before. Unfinished challenges, secrets that only these two souls understand. This familiarity makes us wonder why this restlessness exists, while the promise of true love and the fulfillment of dreams seems so clear. The answer goes beyond our comprehension, touching the heart of our spirituality. The key to calming this restlessness lies in the strength of this sacred connection that unites us. It's in the balance of life, in the mutual support we receive from a guardian angel, from a spiritual force. When we face anxieties and obstacles, we are not alone. There is something greater supporting us, an invisible yet real support that guides us through the turbulent path to serenity. This connection between two people is not by chance. It is a predestined meeting, a common mission of soulmates to achieve harmony, fulfill dreams, and live a true love. It is a sign that despite past obstacles and pains, there is always a higher force, a divine plan that motivates us to move forward, to seek and offer mutual support. Throughout this journey, we realize that emotional pain is also a means of evolution, an invitation to connect more deeply with ourselves and our spirituality. By facing these challenges side by side, we heal not only the wounds of the past, but also pave the way for a balanced life, full of true love and the fulfillment of our deepest soul desires. Listen to what your guardian angel has to say. Feel this spiritual energy that surrounds you, and trust the path that opens before you. Every encounter, every challenge, every solution we find, every support we offer has its reason for being. In the midst of this journey, never forget, you are not alone. The synchronicities, the soul encounters, the deep connection with someone special, none of this is by chance. It is as if there is a cosmic conspiracy in your favor. The presence of this person in your life is a sign that incredible moments are to come. You share dreams and aspirations and, more than that, a vibrant energy that infects and elevates everything around you. This spiritual force that you feel, this celestial direction is an invitation to fully explore your capabilities. During this journey, you realize that you are not alone. Your guardian angel and this very significant person walk with you, offering constant support. The secret to achieving the success and abundance you so desire lies in the union of your efforts and the trust you place in your beliefs and goals. When you connect with this special person, it becomes clear that it is not just about seeking personal achievements, but embarking together on a journey of growth. It is an invitation to celebrate each victory together and learn from the challenges, strengthening this unique bond. This partnership is not common. It transforms into a driving force to realize each other's deepest dreams. It is a process of giving and receiving, where each shared experience is a step towards a future of fulfillment and happiness. What really makes this connection so extraordinary is this incredible ability to inspire each other, reaching unimaginable heights and keeping hope alive, even when things get tough. Each step you take together is a celebration of faith, perseverance, and the love you share. And as you advance on this journey, it is crucial to remember that mutual support is essential to overcome challenges and achieve completeness. Overcoming all obstacles is just the beginning of a wonderful journey that promises not only success, but also profound spiritual and emotional enrichment. So, move forward with confidence, knowing that together you are stronger and capable of conquering whatever comes your way. Living this story in partnership brings incomparable comfort, especially when you have such a unique and deep connection. This special bond you share has the power to ward off all those who try to break this perfect synergy. Your union is a true fortress, built on mutual trust and understanding. This shows that together you are stronger. But finding balance is not easy. During this journey, there will be moments when opinions will diverge and decisions will become complicated. And that is where mutual support stands out. You help each other find a middle ground where each other's dreams and realities align. This quest for balance is not just about making compromises. It is about mutual growth, shared learning, and valuing both the journey and the destination. Knowing that you are on this journey together, facing the highs and lows side by side, only strengthens your connection even more. It is not just about protecting each other, but about uplifting each other together, continuously inspiring and becoming better versions of yourselves. This shared journey is a chance to explore the unknown, to live life in all its nuances. Together, you realize that no matter the difficulty, the strength of your union can overcome all obstacles. The key to a bright future lies in the ability to adapt, turning each experience into an opportunity for growth and always remembering the value each one brings to the other's life. Ready to face whatever comes, each step taken together is proof of the power of a true connection. The journey you have decided to walk together is a demonstration of the love and complicity you share. As long as you are united, nothing can stop you. The sense of déjà vu in each encounter, each conversation, each shared moment is not just a coincidence. It is proof that your souls are intertwined by a story that transcends time and space. You are not just reliving memories from past lives, but building new moments of success, wealth, and recognition. Knowing that you were important to each other in a previous life gives profound meaning to your current relationship, explaining the ease with which you understand each other and the comfort you feel in each other's presence. This sense of shared destiny is reinforced by the belief in a higher plan, a spiritual journey you are destined to travel together. The irresistible attraction, the force that unites you, is the same that drives you to seek greatness in this world. You are like two stars in orbit, whose light only intensifies when you are together. This union is not just about the past, it is about reaching new heights, achieving dreams that once seemed impossible. Being in each other's lives is like a catalyst for positive energy. You are at a crucial moment where past and present join to create a future full of possibilities. Thinking that you have succeeded together in another life is a powerful reminder that anything is possible when there is faith in each other and the path you have chosen. As this journey progresses, it becomes increasingly clear that staying connected and aligned with your goals is essential. The strength of your union is powerful and crucial. Dive deep into the memories of your souls. Seek the lessons and strengths that made you invincible in the past. It's not just about discovering who you were, but defining who you want to be. It is time to join forces, support each other, and boldly embark on this divinely orchestrated destiny, ready to live each moment fully on this path of discovery and reunion. You realize an undeniable truth, the strength of the connection you share. This awareness not only reinforces the bonds between you, but also teaches the importance of exclusivity and loyalty in the relationship. Until now, the journey has shown that together you form a powerful unit, capable of facing and overcoming challenges that seemed insurmountable. Mutual support is not only a pillar of individual growth, but also the foundation for building a shared future. This translates into the ability to face adversities with resilience. You discover that by supporting each other, you can achieve a harmony that transcends common understanding. This does not mean that the path will always be easy, but that every challenge can be overcome when faced together. It is time to put into practice everything you have learned about love, support, and commitment. The next stage of this journey promises to be even more revealing. By applying these lessons in daily life, you shape a relationship that not only survives but thrives in the face of difficulties. The uncertainty, the delicacy, and the sensitivity of this special person complement your strength, creating a perfect balance. This feeling of comfort and security is rare, a true treasure that many seek but few find. This secret love, that few know and no one fully understands, is a mystery only you can unravel. It carries a magic that protects and guides you, like a lighthouse illuminating the path to the unknown. You realize that this connection is not just about being together, but about fulfilling a destiny that seemed written in the stars long before you met. With this profound understanding of the love you share, a challenge arises: how to protect this pure and intense feeling in a world that constantly tries to define and limit what love should be. You decide that, regardless of obstacles and external opinions, you will protect and nurture this unique love with all your strength. After all, it is this love that makes you extraordinary, that gives color and meaning to each other's lives. As you prepare to face the world together, protecting what you have built, you are determined to maintain the essence of your love, away from external influences. It is time to imagine a future where this love not only survives but flourishes. A future where, together, you will show the world that true love knows no limits, is not confined to predefined definitions, and above all, does not need to be understood by everyone. This love, which began as a small seed, has grown and become a safe haven. Proof that the deepest connections are those that go beyond logic. Now, more than ever, you are ready to navigate the waters of life, guided by the light of this love you have chosen to protect at all costs. And as you prepare for the next step in this adventure, you know that, no matter what happens, the love you share will be the compass that always guides you. Now comes the challenge of facing the shadows of the past, acknowledging the wounds each carries, and beginning a healing process together. It is a path that requires vulnerability, courage, and above all, mutual trust. The pain, though uncomfortable, serves as a catalyst to deepen your connection, an opportunity to reveal what was hidden and strengthen your bonds. Every conversation, every moment of understanding, and every gesture of support becomes a step towards better knowing yourselves and each other. These moments not only reveal unknown depths of intimacy, but also solidify a resilient partnership. Think of a future full of infinite possibilities. Each obstacle you overcome together not only strengthens each of you individually, but also creates an indestructible union between you. Now, you are more prepared than ever to face all the challenges life may bring, with the certainty that the foundation of your relationship is unshakable, forged in truth, mutual understanding, and a love that has the power to heal the deepest wounds. Reflecting on this, you realize that the synchronicity you experience is not mere chance. It is the tangible manifestation of the essence of who you are, a glimpse of the great plan of your existences beginning to unfold. You are immersed in a spiritual energy that transcends logic, a force that cannot be fully understood by the mind but is intensely felt in the heart. Even without being able to put it into words or fully understand it, there is something in this process that resonates deeply, a powerful and transformative feeling. This deep connection and incredible energy are not just abstract ideas. They are real, tangible, and alive. You are in the midst of a powerful transformation that shapes not only your relationship, but also your perception of yourselves and the world around you. Together, you discover that true love goes far beyond the surface. It heals, unites, and reveals the deepest mysteries of the universe and the human soul. Living this new stage, where authenticity and true self-expression guide your lives, you are about to embark on a journey that is not only exciting and somewhat frightening, but also profoundly liberating. Aligning with your true destiny brings a sense of harmony that can completely transform existence. But then the question arises, what comes next? How to navigate this new phase with this newly discovered awareness? The next chapter of this adventure invites you to dive even deeper into the spiritual and divine connection you have begun to explore. You will realize that your actions, thoughts, and decisions shape not only your own path, but also have a significant impact on the world around you. It is time to recognize how living in alignment with this destiny enriches not only your personal life, but can also positively contribute to the community, expanding the network of influence and perhaps generating a wave of positive change on a global scale. Deepening this understanding, you will discover that each consciously made choice can be an act of power, an echo that resonates beyond individual limits. You will begin to see how integrity, compassion, and authenticity can influence others in ways you never imagined. It is an opportunity to transform the perception of yourselves and the world, to contribute to a brighter and more meaningful future, not just for you, but for everyone around you. Living this new phase with this elevated awareness means fully embracing your role as agents of change. It means understanding that every act of kindness, every conscious decision, every moment of authentic self-expression has the potential to sow hope and inspire transformations. You are now in a unique position to positively influence your environment, to be leaders by example, showing how life can be lived fully and authentically. Therefore, as you move forward, remember that this path is not just about self-discovery and personal growth. It is also about how you can contribute to a better world. Every step taken with integrity and love brings you closer not only to your greatest destiny, but also opens the way for others to follow. You now have the key to unlocking a future where authenticity and true self-expression illuminate the path, not just for you, but for all humanity. Remember that every step forward is an essential part of the universe's grand plan for you. Be open to learning, growing, and above all, sharing the true love and light you have discovered within yourselves. This is not just the beginning of a new chapter in your lives, but also an opportunity to inspire positive changes around you, catalyzing a wave of love, understanding, and fulfillment.